Okay, we decided to take her out, even though it's a little wet and freezing. Oh, put it in forward. Go, go, go! Make sure you just turn the wheel and watch where you're going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
Oh, she's spinning out.
Okay, stop.
Daddy will give you a push. Keep going. Now come on. Ride around. Yeah, baby. Woo! Keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. Hold that button down. Turn the wheel. Turn, turn, turn. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. Look at you. Wow, she's a natural.
Yeah.
Is that battery charge? It sounds like it's dying.
No, I did that 18-hour charge.
Oh, it's wet out here, so she's a little stuck.
Oh, no, you're stuck. Okay, go.
Okay, turn, turn, turn.
Make sure she's turned.
Whoa!
Wait, that's not. I'm going inside. You're scaring me.
Yeah, baby. Watch where you're going. Watch in front of you. Make sure you don't crash into anything. Turn, turn, turn. Look at you. You're awesome. Watch where you're going. Nice job. Oh. Or give her, is there another speed? Can she go faster?
Yeah.
Alright, stop for a second. Oh, she's waving to you. Daddy's going to fix it for a second.